What's up, people, and how's it going? And today we are here with another COD mobile gameplay, and with me is my friend Aman, aka LOL King.
Hi guys.
Took you long enough. So, we are playing Battle Royale, and we are hoping for a win, but okay, we are hoping for a win, but we don't know if we are going to win. But we came ninth last time, right? We came ninth.
Yeah, we came ninth.
So, what class are you choosing?
Again, defender.
Oh yeah, you always choose defender. I have chose clown cause I love clown. It summons zombies. But when we are like in the lobby, it does nothing. It just does this.
Yeah.
See, demo.
This time,
No
we
zombie.
expect like above 5.
Yeah,
We should
above 5.
place above 5, right?
Yeah, above 5. So where we are going to
Yeah.
land, we should just mark it first only before we start.
You tell me. I don't know.
So, should we go to launch base or pipeline?
Uh, I think we should go to farm because nobody lands there.
Yeah, that's okay.
We
Okay.
still have 18 seconds.
Yes. I don't know why it takes so much time, but yeah, it's just probably finding players or something. Who knows? My battery is low. I'll just put it on charge.
Okay, the match has started.
Yeah. So let's go. Hoping we win. How many teams are there? 52, right?
I guess, yeah.
Out of 52, if we came ninth, I think that's good.
Yeah.
Because that's.
We'll drop
What are you saying?
nothing. Ignore.
Hell, that I can do. Okay, so I'm about to reach our
Same
landing.
house or not?
Yeah, it's okay. We'll just land together. We'll choose a different house. Where are you? You're with me
I'm
only, but I.
following you.
You
I'm
know
behind you.
that's that mark. Whenever we go near it, there's a butcher.
Really?
Yeah, I'm going to show it to you, and he kills us. All we have to do is just go ahead from there, and then it says boss area or something. It's red, right?
Really? Then we should not go over there.
Yeah, I know, but if you want to see, then we can.
No, I don't. I just want to win.
Well, that's a point. It's not so dangerous,
Oh, I got
cause.
a rocket launcher. I got a rocket launcher.
Oh, really? Where are you?
You can have it. I don't want it really.
Yeah, actually, same. I also don't use rocket launchers. It's because that they have only like one thing to shoot. It's kind.
One bullet.
Yeah, they have only one bullet to shoot, and that's no use. Is that you? Yeah, that's you.
Yeah,
So
it's me. So
I
you
need some
have guns?
healing. I need some healing stuff.
Even I need that.
You also don't have, right?
But yeah, I don't have. But I have a sniper.
That's cool.
Good.
That's cool. But
Yep.
it is kind of difficult to find sniper bullets, right?
Yeah,
What's a
actually.
Sparka? I still don't understand what's a Sparka.
Okay, there is some shots fired near us.
Okay,
I'm going over there.
wait, I'm coming with you. Where are you going without me? I'm coming.
Oh, I'll snipe them. Don't worry.
Okay, I will go. I'll kill him. I killed him. I'm killing good.
There's one more.
Wait, I want to take his kid. You killed him? Wait,
Yeah, I killed
let me take this because I need some stuff. Mainly
Yeah,
health. I'm gonna change the gun. That is this better. Yeah, okay, it has more bullets. I just know that. Okay, I'm gonna take this grenade. And I'm fully loaded. Are you fully loaded? I am fully loaded.
Yep. fully loaded.
Yes, let's go.
So this is going good so far.
Yeah, that's a really good kill.
The previous one. Oh, there's someone over here. There's someone over here.
Okay, I'm going to release my class. Okay.
Okay, he's dead. You can take that stuff. I don't need that.
I need some bullets actually.
You want some bombs or something?
No, I
It's
have
over here.
quite many bombs, but I don't have any bullets.
Okay.
I have like 19
Which ammo
bullets.
do you need?
Um,
For what gun?
wait, yeah, I'm telling. Wait, I need this 5.6. I think so.
5.6. I'll check if I have. No, I don't. That's the only ammo I don't have.
So I let me change my gun. Okay, you have.
No, actually, I found it. Come here, come here, come here.
Wait,
I'll
wait.
show you
Then
where
I'll
it
change my
is.
gun again. Yeah.
No, it's right over here.
Where are you? Can't even see you.
See my name and come.
Oh yeah, I know. I'm coming.
Yeah, over here. Inside.
Okay, I'm there. Where's it?
This ammo over here.
Okay, yeah, there's lots. But it did it equip? Yeah, it did equip.
Over here also.
There's so much ammo. I should change my
Over
gun.
here.
Actually, no. I did very bad. I'll take my OG gun. Okay, now I'm loaded.
You want more ammo? There's more ammo over here.
No, I'm done.
Okay. Okay, we are like not in the center of the circle. Do you think we should go in the launch base?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go there.
Is that a vehicle? I don't think that's a vehicle.
Yeah, that's a vehicle. I want to drive.
I want to drive. I want
Okay,
to
you
drive.
drive, then I can shoot.
Oh yeah, you can shoot. That's actually an advantage.
I want to change the seat. Okay, yeah.
Wait, first of all, let me see where are we going. Okay, so
We should go to launch base.
yeah, we are going in the wrong direction. I just realized. So which way should I turn? I should turn right.
Right.
Okay, I should go back first actually. Okay, really back.
Okay, there's someone over here. There's someone
Okay.
over here.
I'm gonna knock him
Wait,
out.
I'll kill him.
Did I knock him out?
I don't know. You
That's-
just get out of the car.
I'm going to knock him out with
Okay,
my
he's
car.
not dead, he's
I
not
want to
dead.
kill with my car. Okay, my car, you're stupid. Kill. My car, you have to kill.
Okay, he's dead.
You're a stupid car.
Dead.
Kill. Okay, probably not.
He's dead.
That's depressing. I should have got out and killed him. You just sit.
Yeah, I'm coming. Wait.
Okay, wait. Let
let's
me
go.
see if I'm going in the right direction now. Definitely not. I have to turn more right. Okay, probably now.
I'll just shoot if someone comes from the car.
Wait, let me see if I'm going in the right direction. Still no? Are you kidding me?
Let me drive.
Wait, I'll take care of it. I am a noob, but let me learn. See, I'm going in the correct direction. This I'm stuck a bit. That's beginners.
Are these graves?
Oh yeah, I just realized. Okay, we should knock him. You should kill him.
Okay, there's someone over here.
Our car has only 1% health.
Oh,
What?
I died.
I'm never taking a vehicle again. I'm never using a
Yeah,
vehicle
bro.
again. I'm never using a vehicle again. I'm pissed off. If the vehicle dies, that means we also die.
Yeah.
I mean, that's stupid in
That's it,
Fortnite.
one more.
Wait, how come you have 3 kills and I have 0? I thought I killed someone.
Yeah, you killed someone like on the mountain or something.
Yeah, I killed in fact 2 people. I remember. This is depressing.
Stupid game.
Yeah, this game is stupid. I mean, in Fortnite, like then Fortnite or whatever game it was, PUBG, I don't know which game it was, but in that game, whenever we get out of a vehicle, well, Fortnite doesn't have a vehicle, sorry about that, but in which if the vehicle is like broken or something, we can easily get out of it. That was Fortnite. That was Fortnite.
Yeah, I think it was Fortnite. The like boat.
Fortnite has vehicles. It has a helicopter.
Yeah, in a boat.
Like our health goes. That's obviously because the helicopter has crashed. But like
Yeah.
we never die instantly. It's just a little bit of our health. In here, if the car is dead, you are dead.
Idiotic.
Yeah, that's so idiotic. Literally,
Yeah, man.
that's so bad. I'm depressed, but that's okay.
One more match.
Yes, one more match, and this video is going to be long as hell. So another depressing factor. I don't know. Okay, why did I take mechanic? Clown. I love
we
clown.
want to provide some quality content.
Yes. We can't just like play half of the match and lose and say we did not make the other half as we lost.
Yeah.
This COD series is going to be long because I think this is really interesting. Personally,
Yeah,
I
it's a
think
very addictive game.
yeah, it's an addictive game, and plus the making these videos are even more addictive.
Yeah.
Because in these videos you get kills, like in Fortnite. Let's not talk about that.
Yeah.
Remember we made a
Let's skip
Fortnite
this
video.
40 seconds.
Remember we made a Fortnite video which audio never got recorded, and we won it. We actually won it.
Video.
Yeah, we literally like recorded the full video, and then we were so happy. We literally got a victory royale. And
Yeah.
after that when I was editing the video and like seeing it, our audio was not recorded. That was like one of the worst moments of my life. I mean,
it
like,
was so depressing, dude.
that was so depressing. I mean, literally, what was that?
Yeah, what was that red thing?
Yeah, I'm thinking it's the same. Let me drink some water. But still, I still remember that Fortnite incident.
Yeah. It was bad. So where to now? Launch base?
Yeah, launch base. We are going to land at launch base. Learn from our lessons. Not history, obviously.
And this time we are not even going to touch a vehicle.
Yes, never.
On foot.
Yes. I actually remember one time that happened with us when I used the bike, right, in the last video.
Yeah, I got damaged. I think you did not.
No, I was dead.
Really?
Yeah, I was like using the bike. Wait, was that on my Twitch live stream? Yeah, that was on my Twitch.
I don't think it was on a video.
Yeah, I don't think it was. I think it was on the live stream, which nobody followed.
Yeah.
But whatever. Learning. I got a sniper. You want it?
Sniper? Good, great.
You want it?
No, you can keep it. I am very bad at snipers. But
same. That's what I was going to say. I'm not such good at snipers because it has so less bullets. I'm like
okay,
really.
Then you can give me.
Okay, take it. How to give it? I don't know. How to give it again?
Let it be.
I don't want it.
I don't want it. Leave it.
Okay, let's just leave it.
Oh, I got that spark thing from which in the last video we got
some stuff. That was not so good stuff, but yeah. I'm going to change my bullet.
That was health from that guy.
Oh, I got a good gun. See my gun. It has 60 bullets. Oh. See this. It's a classy gun.
This guy, come over here.
Wait.
I'm going to use the sparker. Wait.
Oh, that's some good stuff. I mean, bullets.
Yeah.
I want to get rid of my sniper. I just don't know how.
Yeah, you go in.
Wait, somebody shot me. You're going to die. You're going to die to shoot me.
Oh, no. There's somebody.
I killed him.
Oh, you killed him. Nice.
But I need health. I killed him, but I need health.
He has some.
Oh, yeah, Oh, no, somebody's shooting. Take care of him, bro.
No.
He has no health.
Where is he?
He's right in front of you. I think I'll have to snipe him.
Oh, no, he's on top?
I killed him. No.
He's over here.
I killed him.
Nice.
I knocked him out.
Do
Let
you
me
want
kill
some
him.
ammo?
Let me kill him.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he has some good stuff. Okay, now I can heal myself in the end.
This is an
That's good.
amazing start.
That is actually amazing start. Okay, now I have to change my gun. Yeah, okay. Wait, so in that we have like 218 bullets, right? And the 15 stuff which is on the left side is a reload, right?
What?
See, when we have the bullets, it shows 15 slash 218.
Yeah.
So
15 is like you shoot them and after that you like reload it.
yeah, so then I have enough bullets. A lot of actually. Okay, that's an amazing start. 2 kills.
Yeah.
Okay, we are still out of the circle. I think we should go in the circle. Where are you? Are you following me now? Okay, I'm gonna kill this guy.
Yeah, I'm following you.
Wait, where are
Someone.
you? Where are you? Why are
He's
you
over there.
running?
He's running. He's running, dude. He was scared. I killed him.
Yeah, that was good. My zombies, you
Did
are a
he
waste
spawn
of.
zombies?
Huh? What you say?
Are these your zombies?
Yeah, I
Then it's
wasted them.
fine.
Zombies, would you like to talk with
Yeah.
me? You're my zombies. You know I summoned you. What was that?
Oh, oh.
Toy bomb.
I, come near
Oh,
me. I will revive you.
oh, probably that toy blasts also.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
That was stupid. The zombies don't kill
Yeah.
me, but the
You have.
toys blast that can kill us.
Yeah.
I did
You
not know
have
that.
health?
Yeah, I got health.
Oh, no, 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 no. Someone is shooting us. Someone is shooting
Wait,
us.
I'm taking this some spray, but I'll
I
kill him.
killed him.
Okay, that was
I
good.
killed him. Oh, I have zero ammo. I'm gonna change
I
the
also
ammo.
need some ammo. I'll just take from you.
Yeah, I took it. So we should go in the circle.
Yeah, I realize that.
Same.
Where are you going? Wait for me.
Okay. Where are you? Okay, you are coming.
I'm right behind you.
So there are 55 more players.
Hopefully we win. I'm
That's too
very,
much.
very excited. Hopefully we win.
Yeah.
But I realize that this
Let's
clown
go.
class is really useful.
Yeah.
You should also use it. But actually, we make the perfect combo. Like mine is the clown and yours is the defender. So you can use it to
Yeah.
defend, and I can use the clown. Wait, what is
Clown
that?
thing.
Yeah.
Are you near me? Okay, you are in. Oh, there's someone over here.
Oh, wait,
He's
I'm
gonna
coming.
kill me. I'm almost dead. No, I'm not dead.
Where is he? Did you kill him?
He's over here.
You killed him. Good
Oh,
job.
that was scary.
Ah, it's okay. I knew you could kill him.
So we are in the circle. That's good.
Wait, what level is my vest? I don't have a vest. Sorry. I'm gonna use this vest. Okay.
I think his teammate will come to kill us soon.
It doesn't matter. We are inevitable teammates. Now, if we
Yeah,
don't win this
eventually.
match, then please don't write some harsh comments like, you said you were inevitable. What happened now? No, nothing like that.
Yeah.
That's just a whatever they call it, or whatever you
It's
want to call
human.
it. Where are you? Are you offline and the robot is playing? Because you are
No,
not
no, I'm
saying
not
anything.
offline.
You went on like complete mute for like some time.
No. So let's go into farm.
I don't want to say this, but this game kind of, after, like, for beginners and new people, this game is better than Fortnite.
Yeah.
Like, no, I'm not saying
Easier.
that COD is not COD and Fortnite. I'm not comparing them, but like, if you're a beginner, then start with COD. And plus, Fortnite, learning Fortnite takes a lot of time, because you need to, like, first, when you start, you literally realize that you are finished. You can do nothing. You just keep
Yeah.
dying on and on and on. Then after you start killing, guess what? Your exams arrive. Boom. And after that, what happens? Guess what? You are very bad. I'm taking
Do
that
not
bike.
touch this.
I know.
Do not touch.
I'm very intimidated by that bike. Okay, I want to go. I want to drive you. Okay, I'm going. Bye. I'm going to die. Yay!
Oh,
Yes. Yes. This is the fun. This is the fun. This is the fun. This is very fun. But this
where
comes.
are you?
I'm here. I'm driving the bike.
Oh, you. Oh, someone is shooting someone.
I'm
Okay,
coming.
he's over here. I'll kill him.
Oh my god.
He's running. Why is he running if he
Wait, wait,
if
wait.
he
Come
doesn't want
behind.
to fight?
Let's see if my zombies can kill him. Don't kill him.
No, I killed him.
Okay,
killed
that's depressing. That's just depressing. Okay,
There
first
are
of all, you
shops
stay
over
with
here.
me.
I
Okay,
killed
I
him.
know this one was my fault as I went out riding my bike, but you stay with me. Just wait. Can you wait?
There's someone over here. Have to kill him.
Why you have to kill him? Is he like?
Cause I want to.
Okay, then I also
Okay,
want
one
to.
is down. I'm going to kill his teammate.
Wait, let me kill his teammate.
Yeah, you kill him.
Yeah, I killed him.
Nice.
Oh, cool.
His name
You killed
was
one
Solly
teammate,
Blue.
I killed one teammate. That's good. I'm gonna reload. Oh, I have 60 bullets now.
Okay. But there's someone shooting us. There's someone shooting us.
Wait, I'll kill him.
He's behind you.
Oh,
He's almost dead.
why did you put that fence stuff? I hate it.
Okay, he's over
Wait,
here.
let me kill him. Let him kill him. I knocked
You
out.
killed him?
Yes, I killed him. Yes.
Nice.
But I need to gain my health and I hardly have anything.
Yeah, you gain health.
Wait, I have nothing to gain health. I need something to gain health. Okay, I got lots of stuff to gain. I'll take a tactical scope. I'll take a laser sight. Take this, I'll take this, I'll take.
I think we are going to win this. I can feel it.
Yes, I can also feel it. But I need to gain my health first before feeling it. Wait, are we out of the circle? We are out of the circle. We are way out of the circle. We are way out of the circle. Run.
Yeah.
I'm telling you,
let's go
run.
in then.
Don't care. Even if you see anyone, don't care. Unless they are going to kill you or something. Don't care. Just keep running.
Okay. Okay,
You
just
realize
new objective.
we lose everything.
Yeah, that's true.
Everything. And by the way, please follow me on Twitch, LLKS123.
Yeah.
Unless we don't ban Twitch, cause nobody's following us. That's actually kind of depressing, you all know.
It's okay. We are like happy that people are watching us on YouTube.
Yeah, it's good. I'll just keep like Twitch. Nobody first I like make a YouTube thing, and if I got many subscribers, then I'll start Twitch. That makes
Yeah.
sense. For now, I'll not do anything on Twitch unless I have more followers. If I have more followers, then even if I have like, oh, that helicopter.
That helicopter is going to burn. I want to kill it, but you told not to kill it.
Where did I say not to kill it?
You told only run, do not kill.
Yeah,
It's
that's.
not harming you.
Now we are inside the circle. Now you can do anything you want. Who cares? We are inside the circle, bro. Realize. See. First we were way outside. Now we are inside.
Yeah.
Now you can kill
Let's loot this place.
that. Why are you
if
looting?
possible. have started looting.
I've started reloading. I have lots of bullets. It's a waste of time looting. Just reloading.
Same, I have. Okay, we have to win this, bro. We have to win this.
Yes. Unless a tank comes and kills us, there's no way we can win in that situation. Remember that happened in the last match? Oh no, we got to run. Oh no, we don't have to. Oh, we got to run.
Oh, oh no. I think we have to use a vehicle.
We don't care about a vehicle. We should run. Vehicle is more dangerous than going into the. No, we'll make it. We'll make it. Where are you? Are you offline again? Or are you just on mute?
Yeah. No, I just muted myself.
Oh.
Sorry for the disturbance in the background.
Oh no, that's okay. There's like nothing. But we got to run now.
Where are you? Okay, you are over here? Come in my bike. Sit on the bike.
Where are you? Where's your bike?
I am behind you.
Okay, how to sit on your bike? Wait. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
no,
we got to run.
No. This is not happening again. This
No.
is not happening.
I'm dead. Help me.
You are dead?
You kill that guy and please help me.
No!
No! We again came ninth. We again came ninth.
Oh man.
I'm making another video of this now. So people just don't be depressed over this. For sure we'll win the next video. This is irritating. We came ninth.
Yeah.
That's the same.
Yeah.
Ninth is not bad. On the positive side.
Yeah, but it's the same.
Yeah, it's the same. On the negative side. I'm going on the negative side. Stay on the negative side. Oh, you have 1 kill more than me. Negative side. Negative. Wait, you have 5 kills. You have 1 kill more than me. Negative side.
But we can make a series and hopefully we win next time.
We will win next time. Probably. Please put probably in the brackets. Because it's no promise. I don't like harsh comments.
Yeah.
Like,
But if you guys want to see us play more of Call of Duty, please give this video a like.
yes, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Live Life Kingside.